Jai Gurudev children. Last class we started the second lesson, types of software. We saw that what is software. Software is of two types, system software and application software. And we saw that what is system software, and system software is furthermore divided into three types. They are operating system, language processor and utility software. We already seen what is operating system and functions of an operating system. Now we will see language processor. We know that a computer needs instruction to perform its action. Of course, computer cannot work on its own. Computer needs instruction. It will get the input and then it will work on it. Then it will process, isn't it? So we know that computer need instruction to perform its actions. Also, a computer can understand only machine language. So, computer has a separate language called machine language, that is only zeros and ones. Computer can understand everything as zeros and ones, okay, which comprises zeros and ones. However, the set of instructions or software is created by writing program. So we need to give instruction to the computer, isn't it? That is called a set of instructions. The set of instruction is called program. Okay, so that program is created in software in a computer language. So that program is written in computer language, such as these are the computer languages like Java, C, C++, etc. Okay, we as Tamil, English and so many languages. Likewise, computer knows only zeros and ones. Okay, so to give instructions to the computer, the program will be written in computer languages. These are the computer languages: Java, C, C++ and so many languages are there. Since the program written in these languages cannot be recognized by a computer, C, C++, Java and all is like a English program. Okay, we used to write in English. Those English words cannot be understood by the computer. So the computer use translator to convert all these programs into zeros and ones. Okay, then it will understand, it will process, and it will gives the output as zeros and ones, and we cannot understand those zeros and ones, isn't it? So it will transfer, again it will translate all the zeros and ones into English and show to us in through monitor. So a language processor plays a vital role here. So all these works will be done by the language processor. Okay, see, computer will get the input. So we used to write in English. Those English programs will be that is these are the concepts. These are the languages: Java, C, C++ are the languages. We used to write the programs in English languages. Then the computer used to translate those language into those programs into zeros and ones. Okay, then it will work. Then after finishing the process, again it will translate the zeros and ones into the language which we can be understand. Then it will shows through the monitor. Okay, so these works are done by the language processor. Clear? So a language processor plays a very important role in a computer. Did you know software computer programs are mostly written in high-level programming languages? Okay, so these are high-level programming languages. Java, C, C++ are high-level programming languages. Software or computer programs, both are same. Computer programs are called software. Okay, so these computer programs are written in high-level programming languages. The advantage with high level programming languages is that these are easier to use. So this is the main advantage, which means this is the main benefit. Okay, so these are easier to use and more efficient as compared to the machine language. So We cannot write everything in zeros and ones, isn't it? It is difficult for us. So these high level languages used to write everything in similar to English. Then the translator used to convert everything into zeros and ones. So computer can understand only zeros and ones, but we cannot write everything into zeros and ones, and it is not easy also. So these computer languages makes our works easy. Okay. Listen, these are easier to use. The computer languages are easier to use and more efficient when compared to the machine language. These high level programming language are compiled or interpreted. These are the translators. I said no, this English program will be converted into zeros and ones, and after processing again those zeros and ones will be converted into English. Okay, so that we can understand and the computer can also understand its own language. So that work is done by this compiler and interpreter. Okay, these are the translator. So these high level programming language are compiled or interpreted into machine language. Okay, these are the translator programs. Then utility software. This is the third type of system software. System software is of three types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. So this is also a system software. As the name suggests, utility program performs specific task. Okay, so it has some special task, it will do some special works. Okay, as the name suggests. So utility program. Okay, utility in the sense uh, using the program. Okay, what are the programs used? Let's see. It could be manage a computer. So such utility programs is used to manage a computer. So to manage the computer devices and all. Then or one or more of its devices or any program running on the computer. Okay, these works are this work is done by utility program. Then some utilities are, see, some uses. Utility means use. Okay, some utilities are used to prevent virus attack. So this is also utility program. We used to feed antivirus program to prevent our computer from virus attack, isn't it? So that antivirus program is also utility program, utility software. So it will prevent our computer from virus attack. And to take a backup of a computer, which means backup of the data. If the storage is more, we used to delete everything. If anything is important there, we used to take a backup, like using pen drive or using a memory card. Okay, so we used to take a backup storage will be there, isn't it? For that also program is there. So that program is also called utility program. That is called backup program. Okay, to take a backup of the data. It will manage the computer devices. It will protect our computer from virus attack. Then it will back up all the datas. Okay, and also to recover data that has been deleted by mistake. If by mistake any data is deleted, that can be recovered easily, taken back easily. Okay, that is called file management program. So this also comes under utility program. Clear? So backup program, file management program, antivirus program, and to control all the devices. So all these will be controlled by the program. Okay, software program. Such software program is called utility software. And so many works will be done using the utility software.